Designing an outdoor space often feels like piecing together a complex puzzle. One of the biggest challenges is figuring out the right layout. Should the seating area face the garden, or would it make more sense near the patio? Without a clear picture in mind, even the best intentions can leave your space feeling disjointed. Then there's the struggle to balance aesthetics and practicality. You want your space to feel lush and inviting, but adding too many plants or features can make it look cramped. For instance, that Instagram-worthy pergola might look stunning in photos, but if it eats up all your usable space, it becomes more of a hindrance than a highlight. Another common hurdle is scale. Choosing furniture or decor that's too big can overwhelm a small garden, while undersized pieces can make a large yard feel sparse and incomplete. Imagine placing a massive dining set on a small deck, or installing a water feature that dominates the entire garden. It throws off the entire look. This is where Foyr Neo steps in to make outdoor design simpler and smarter. With Neo, you can easily create a virtual 3D model of your outdoor space. Let's say you're torn between placing your seating area near the garden or the patio. Neo lets you visualize both layouts in a realistic way, helping you make the best decision without moving a single chair. Neo's extensive library of outdoor furniture, plants, and decor is another game changer. For example, if you're unsure whether a tropical palm or a row of hedges would suit your space better, Neo allows you to test both options with just a few clicks. You can even adjust colors, textures, and sizes to see how they fit with the overall vibe you're going for. Lighting is another key aspect of outdoor design, and Foyr Neo simplifies this with customizable lighting options. Whether you're envisioning warm string lights for a cozy atmosphere or brighter spotlights for functional spaces, you can try out different scenarios directly within the software. Neo also helps you make informed material choices. Wondering if a gravel path would work better than stone tiles? Or if a wooden deck suits your garden's aesthetic? Neo provides high-quality renderings, so you can see how each material looks and feels in your space. Budgeting is another often overlooked challenge in outdoor design. Neo's built-in cost estimation tools allow you to keep track of expenses as you design, ensuring your dream garden doesn't turn into a financial nightmare. And let's not forget about Neo's intuitive drag-and-drop interface, which makes designing incredibly user-friendly. Even if you're not a professional designer, Neo empowers you to bring your ideas to life effortlessly. Foyr Neo isn't just a design tool. It's a complete game changer. It takes all the complexity and uncertainty out of landscape and garden design and replaces it with a fun, intuitive, and easy-to-use interface. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a total newbie, Foyr Neo is the perfect solution for bringing your outdoor space to life. With its powerful tools, you can experiment fearlessly, avoid costly mistakes, and design a space that reflects your unique style. From testing layouts to visualizing lighting, Neo makes every step of the process seamless and enjoyable. So if you're tired of feeling overwhelmed by the thought of designing your garden or landscape, give Foyr Neo a try. You won't be disappointed. Ready to start designing? You can try Foyr Neo's 14-day free trial and experience its magic yourself. The link is in the description. Happy designing!